Hello, learners. Good evening. Okay, where are the others anyway? Hello, good evening to those who just came.
Yo.
Okay, while we wait for the others to join us. So welcome to your class this evening. Today we're scheduled to do Unit 8, the continuation. However, I want to continue Unit 3 and 4 also from last session. So I hope you have done the listening by yourself using the audio I sent you. Before we start, this is just like I know it's probably boring to repeat this for each meeting, but that strategy needs to be, hang on, that strategy needs to be said over and over again. Sama kayak kalau kita nge-gym, untuk ngebentuk satu otot, harus ada sekian kali repetisi. Sama, untuk kita selalu ingat akan strateginya, kita juga akan terus mengulang strategi yang sudah kita pelajari. Okay? So, for listening, how many seconds will you get before the next question? Learners?
60.
How many?
60 seconds.
60 seconds? No way, that's too long.
50.
Listening.
15.
15.
15
Still
seconds.
too long. You only have 12 seconds before the next audio is heard. Okay, so after the audio finish, what does the woman mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number 2. That's how long you have the time for the listening part. Okay. Now, for the short conversation, which speaker do you have to focus on? The first speaker or the second speaker?
Second speaker.
The second speaker, thank you. And what do you have most of the times as the answer? Kebanyakan pilihan jawabannya kalau short conversation merupakan no idea? Restatement, pernyataan ulang. Not synonym, pernyataan ulang. So it can be a synonym or it can be an antonym, bisa synonym, bisa antonym, or it can be something similar but not the same. Bisa jadi sesuatu yang mirip tapi nggak sinonim juga. Okay? Kesimpulan. So, what do you have to do with all the questions?
Read the answer.
Read the answer. Thank you.
And
Do you have to answer
focus on
all
the second
questions?
speaker.
Yep, thank you, Axel. Do you have to answer all questions?
Yes.
Why? Kenapa juga harus jawab semua pertanyaan?
Because if we not answer, we don't get a score.
Got it. Kalaupun salah, nilainya nggak dikurangi. Kalau betul, ya dapat poin. Siapa tahu betul, jawab aja. Okay? So the same as this, whenever I ask you to type in the chat box, kayaknya semua bisa deh ngechat nge-text di chat box kan? Nggak ada masalah untuk chat box. Jadi whenever I ask you to type in the chat box, please do as fast as you can. Secepat mungkin, ngetiknya tuh secepat mungkin. Kenapa harus cepat mungkin? Karena dalam TOEFL pun kita juga diminta untuk alert, waspada, bertindak cepat. So, nggak ada istilahnya, nunggu yang lain aja dulu jawab, ntar lihat aja jawaban yang lain. Just type your answers, okay? Because if you hesitate like that, kalau sekarang aja ngechat di nge-text di chat box aja ragu, gimana nanti pas tesnya? Nanti dulu deh. Kebanyakan mikirnya nanti dulu, habis waktunya. So, you need to stay focused and stay alert. Okay. Okay. Now that more people are here, let's start with what exercise did I send you for? Unit 3, if I'm not mistaken, review, right? I sent the audio for the review. Saya kirim audio untuk review unit 3, yang bagian review, betul? This is unit 3. This one, I sent the audio for review. Okay, so have you done this listening? Sudah dikerjakan berarti? Learners, Have you done the listening?
Not yet, Miss.
Oh man. Learners, you already have 2 days to do this. Oh, this is the problem with your preparation class. Aslinya, kalau dilihat, kelas persiapan TOEFL itu 22 kali pertemuan. You only have 15 sessions. Kalian hanya diberi waktu 15 sesi. Imagine how fast you need to do each unit. Bayangkan bagaimana seharusnya kalian melaksanakan satu unit. It won't be as relaxed as when you do the original course at LIA. Tidak se-relax seperti saat kalian melakukan kelas reguler di LIA. So you need to really catch up with it. Memang harus benar-benar niat dari dalam diri untuk, oh iya, saya harus ada yang dikerjakan. Oke, go. Push yourself. Dorong sendiri dirinya untuk berusaha, oke? So if you haven't done the review, it means that I still need to play the audio for you. Okay. So everyone, please take a look at review part, unit 3. I'm going to play the audio for 10 numbers. Please write down your answers on a piece of paper. Silakan tulis jawabannya di selembar kertas. Later on, I'm going to ask you to type the answers in the chat box. Kali ini ada 20 orang di ruang Zoom. 20-20-nya silakan nanti ketik jawabannya di chat. Nggak pakai ada istilah, saya nggak tahu jawabannya. Harus nge-teks jawaban kalian. Mau nggak mau harus jawab, mau nggak mau harus berusaha. Okay? Nobody is going to answer it for you. Okay, I'm going to share the sound. Are you ready? Learners, are you ready?
Wait, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's start the audio then.
Directions. Listen carefully to each short conversation and the question. Then, choose the best answer to each question. Number 1.
Do you work part-time for your college fee?
No, my parents send me money.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
You've missed all your math classes for 2 weeks. How will you catch up with the lesson?
I'll ask Jenny to explain the lesson to me.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
How much longer will you need to finish your homework?
I have to check the answer again.
What does the man mean? Number 4.
Rick said that you were rather immature.
It's unfair of him to say that about me.
What does the woman mean? Number 5.
Were you able to get the book you needed?
The salesperson of the bookstore told me that the book wasn't available yet.
What does the man mean? Number 6.
I didn't see you go into the pool.
Well, I decided not to. The water was too cold for me.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Who was elected class president yesterday?
Sandra was. She replaced Martha in that position.
What does the woman mean? Number 8.
What's the matter with Charlie? He looked unhappy.
He was angered by Wyatt's offensive joke.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
I got 2 free tickets for the midnight show. Would you like to come with me?
You don't have tickets for the matinee show?
Where are they probably going? Number 10.
Excuse me. I want these trousers, but they seem quite big for me.
You can try them on in the fitting room over there.
Who is the woman?
Oops. Hang on. Okay. So everyone, ready for your chat box text? Remember, like it or not, sure or not, suka nggak suka, merasa betul atau tidak, paham atau tidak, you still need to answer. Dan jawabannya harus cepat. So whenever I say go, please type your answer in the chat box. Okay? Please type the answer to number 1 now. Go. A C A C C C A A. Okay. Let's check number 1.
Review. Mean. Number 1.
Do you work part-time for your college fee?
No, my parents send me money.
What does the woman mean?
What does the woman say? Emang yang perempuan tadi ngomong apa? Learners? What's the key word? Learners?
Sorry, Miss. Can repeat again?
Okay.
My internet like.
Best answer to each question. Number 1.
Do you work part-time for your college fee?
No, my parents send me money.
What does the woman mean?
Keywords-nya dari yang diucapkan si perempuan adalah
My parents send me money.
My parents my money.
my parents send me money.
Yes.
Orang tuaku mengirim uang. So, A or C? Her parents pay the tuition. Orang tuanya yang bayar uang iuran, uang gedung, uang whatever that is. Or C, she works to help her parents.
A.
A is the answer. Thank you. Her parents work part-time? Definitely not. Bukan orang tuanya juga yang kerja. What is part-time anyway?
Kayak kerja paruh waktu.
Paruh waktu, got it. Thank you.
Harian. Harian, iya.
Kerja paruh waktu. She sends money to her parents. No, her parents yang ngirim uang justru orang tuanya. Okay, so the answer is A. Please type your answer in the chat box for number 2. Go. B, 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 B. Okay. B, B. Let's go, others. Yang lainnya. Ini beneran kita latihan apa ya istilahnya, menetapkan hati. Beneran suka nggak suka, tahu nggak tahu jawabannya, paham nggak paham audionya, benar nggak benar jawabannya, tetap harus ngetik jawabannya. Why? Because that's also what you have to do during the test. Karena itu juga yang akan kalian lakukan jika tes nanti. Jadi kalau sekarang selalu ragu-ragu, pasti dites ragu-ragu. Yakinkan. Okay? So number 2, most of you answered B. And yes, the answer is B. Let's listen to the audio one more time. Tolong sebutkan
Number
kata
2.
kuncinya nanti.
You've missed all your math classes for 2 weeks. How will you catch up with the lesson?
I'll ask Jenny to explain the lesson to me.
What does the woman mean?
Kata kuncinya?
Ask.
Ask who?
Yes, Jenny.
To help.
Ask Jenny to help. Got it. Ask Jenny to help. So yes, B is the answer. Jenny will help her with the lessons. Thank you. Okay, number 3, answers go. D. Let's go, others. D, 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 B, D, 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 D. D. Okay. So most of you answered D. Let's listen to the audio and find the keywords.
Number 3.
How much longer will you need to finish your homework?
I have to check the answer again.
What does the man mean?
What's the keyword?
Check the answer.
Check the answer.
Check the answer again. Got it. So when you check the answer again, kalau harus ngecek jawaban lagi,
Berarti dia ragu-ragu untuk menjawab.
Exactly, dia ragu-ragu. So ragu-ragu di sini unsure, tidak yakin. Kemarin kita udah bicara negatif. When you have apalagi sih? Ada 3 tuh kata depan yang bisa ditambahkan untuk buat suatu kata jadi negatif.
In.
And one more. This. Thank you. In, and this. He is unsure about the answers. Thank you. Well done. Okay. Now please type in number 4 answers. Go. D, D, B, 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 B. Okay. Most of you answered B. Some of you answered D. Tapi yang masuk mungkin hanya 11 orang kali ini. Let's go, others. Nggak capek-capek nih, saya bilang. Harus berusaha secepatnya ngetik jawaban. Okay, make up your mind. Tetapkan pikiran. Let's listen to the audio and find the keywords.
Number 4.
Rick said that you were rather immature.
It's unfair of him to say that about me.
What does the woman mean?
What's the keyword? Kata kuncinya?
unfair,
Unfair. Got it. Artinya apa sih unfair?
Tidak
tidak
adil.
adil,
Tidak adil. Got it. Which one has the restatement of unfair? Yang mana yang merupakan pernyataan ulang dari unfair? Rick was inconsistent. Tahulah konsisten apa? Kalau ditambahin in berarti tidak konsisten.
Tidak konsisten.
Unconcerned. What is concern?
Konsentrasi.
Pardon?
konsentrasi,
No, concern is not concentration. Concern. You can Google that.
Peduli.
What's that? Sorry.
Peduli.
Peduli. Thank you. So tidak peduli. Unconcerned. Tidak peduli. Impolite. What does it mean by polite? Karena awalan im berarti tidak. Polite artinya?
adil,
No, it's not adil. Sopan. Thank you. Polite means sopan. So impolite means tidak sopan. The last one, justifiable. Justice. What is justice?
Keadilan.
Keadilan. So justifiable was not
Adil.
justifiable. Tidak adil. Tadi adalah unfair. Unfair juga artinya tidak adil. So the answer is actually A.
A.
Nobody got it correctly. Okay. So see, the more you hear the audio like this, semakin sering kalian dengar audio kayak gini, yakinlah TOEFL itu banyak yang berulang kok soalnya. Bayangin aja, seperti Lia itu setiap tahun mengeluarkan tes sejenis TOEFL. Jadi setiap tahun kita harus bikin sekitar 100 soal baru. Nggak mungkin soal barunya benar-benar baru, pasti pakai kata-kata yang hampir mirip-mirip, hampir sama. So when you are familiar with the concept, kalau sudah paham dengan konsepnya, sudah terbiasa dengan pertanyaannya, paling akan ketemu kayak gitu-gitu lagi. Oke. Makanya dibiasakan mendengarkan audio. Number 5, please type your answers in the chat box now. Go. A, C, 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 D, D, A, B,
Apa?
A,
Ribuan loh murah. Asli. Ada yang cabai.
C, A. Okay. So it's everybody has quite different answers from A, C, D. Now let's check the audio and find the keywords.
Number 5.
Were you able to get the book you needed?
The salesperson of the bookstore told me that the book wasn't available yet.
What does the man mean?
Kata kuncinya adalah
Not deal.
not deal.
Wasn't
No.
available yet.
Yep, was not available yet. Karena kata kuncinya was not available yet, berarti yang otomatis salah adalah
A.
no. Remember, yang kata-katanya persis atau kedengaran sangat mirip itu biasanya salah. So
B.
yang udah pasti salah adalah B. Thank you. B is incorrect. What does it mean by was not available? Artinya apa sih? Available.
Iya.
Ada.
Tersedia, ada.
Ya.
So was not available, tidak ada atau tidak tersedia. Which one is it? He needs to get to the bookstore. Emang ngomongin dia harus pergi ke toko buku atau bukunya yang nggak ada?
Bukunya yang nggak ada.
Bukunya yang nggak ada. So A is incorrect. C, it is not possible for him to buy the book now. Tidak mungkin beli buku itu sekarang. Kenapa kok nggak mungkin beli buku itu sekarang?
Soalnya belum available.
Hanya alasan.
Exactly. Because the book isn't available. So C is the answer. The bookstore didn't sell the book at a high price. Nggak ngomongin harga juga. So C is the correct answer. Now please type your answer for number 6. Go. A. A, 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 B, A, B. Anyone else? Bener loh, isinya kelas ini yang hadir 26 orang. Seharusnya yang jawab juga 26. How about the others? A. Okay, let's check the audio and find the keywords.
Number 6.
I didn't see you go into the pool.
Well, I decided not to. The water was too cold for me.
What does the man mean?
Kata kuncinya?
Too cold for me.
Too cold for me. Got it. Artinya berarti?
Dia sedang kedinginan. Apa? Di situ
Too
terlalu
cold.
dingin.
Terlalu dingin untuk saya. Got it. So, A, he did not swim. B, he had a cold. C, he found coal in the water. D, he could not see in the water. D, artinya?
Dia tidak melihatnya di air.
Dia tidak bisa melihat di dalam air. Okay. C, he found coal in the water.
Dia menemukan karang di air.
Exactly. B, he had a cold.
Dia sedang kedinginan.
No, he had a cold. In English, cold, a cold, dan cold itu beda. Jadi kalau a cold itu menandakan penyakit yang biasa kita sebut masuk angin kalau di Indonesia. So a cold is masuk angin. Was he having a cold or cuacanya yang lagi dingin?
Cuacanya yang lagi dingin.
Cuacanya yang lagi dingin. So B is not the answer. The answer is A. Dia nggak jadi berenang. Kenapa? Karena cuacanya lagi dingin. So this is slight thing that you need to learn. Kan kalau udah pernah ketemu soal kayak gini, kalian jadi paham. Oh, a cold itu maksudnya penyakit. Sejenis masuk angin. Oke, jadi bukan cuaca yang dingin. Beda. Oke. Now, please type your answer for number 7 in the chat box. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. Udah, waktunya cuma segitu doang, 12 detik loh. Jadi kalau kalian menunggu terlalu lama, audio yang berikutnya udah terdengar. So I have A and C. Make yourself quick. Jadikan diri kalian alert, cepat dan waspada. Begitu dibilang go langsung tek, 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 tek. Okay. So A and C for number 7. Let's hear the audio. Find the keywords.
Number 7.
Who was elected class president yesterday?
Sandra was. She replaced Martha in that position.
What does the woman mean?
Okay, kata kuncinya adalah
Position.
Position. Ada lagi yang kedengaran? Kita dengarkan sekali lagi.
Sandra was. She replaced Martha in that position.
Selain position, adalah kata kunci yang lain.
Replace.
Replaced. Artinya replaced?
Menaruh kembali.
Mengulang.
Mengulang, menaruh kembali. No.
Menggantikan.
Menggantikan. Thank you. Menggantikan. Siapa yang menggantikan siapa?
Sandra
Martha.
menggantikan Martha.
Sandra menggantikan Martha. Got it. So let's check the answer. D udah pasti salah. Martha diganti kok. Oke. C, Sandra succeeded Martha. B, the president elected Martha. Martha yang terpilih jadi presiden. No. Sandra lost her position. A, kehilangan posisinya sebagai presiden. No. So the answer is C. Succeeded. Sama artinya dengan replaced. Okay. Succeeded. Menggantikan. Okay. Ready? 26 people, please type your answer in the chat box for number 8. Go. D, C, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. Okay. So I have D, B, and C. Let's listen to the audio. Kita dengarkan and find the keyword.
What does the woman mean? Number 8.
What's the matter with Charlie? He looked unhappy.
He was angered by Wyatt's offensive joke.
What does the woman mean?
What's the keyword?
Offensive joke.
Offensive joke. Thank you. Artinya apa sih offensive joke? Yang sedang bola pasti tahu nih offensive.
Berlebihan.
Jokes yang
Oke.
Terlalu berlebih.
Berlebih. Kalau di bola offensive menyerang. So bercandanya nyerang. Jatuhin orang. So let's check. A, Charlie was often offensive. Yang dibecandain siapa?
Charlie.
Huh?
Oh, lihat.
Wyatt. Got it. Yang dibecandain Wyatt. So A is incorrect. Charlie made Wyatt unhappy. Ya benar juga sih. Tapi cek yang lainnya. Wyatt was very happy with his joke.
Oh,
No. D, Wyatt upset Charlie with his rudeness. Okay. Yang bikin bercandaan tadi adalah Wyatt.
lihat. Bikin Charlie itu ngambek.
Ngambek. Got it. So Wyatt upset Charlie with his rudeness. What does it mean by rudeness?
Taunya lagu, Miss.
Why you wanna be so rude? Artinya apa dong berarti? Udah tahu lagunya, harus tahu artinya. Why you have to be so rude? Rude, kasar atau nggak sopan. So Wyatt upset Charlie with his rudeness. D, jahat. Okay, D is the answer. Thank you. Okay, ready? 26 people in this Zoom. Please type your answer for number 9 now. 12 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. Thank you. So some of you answered C, some of you answered D.
Pak Kaprodi, Pak Rian.
Yes, what is it?
Bukan main, kau pencet mungkin, Miss. Itu tadi.
Okay. Please find the keywords.
Number 9.
I got 2 free tickets for the midnight show. Would you like to come with me?
You don't have tickets for the matinee show?
Where are they probably going?
Kata kuncinya?
Tiket.
Tiket. Oke. Itu dari pembicara pertama padahal. Yang dari pembicara kedua, kata kuncinya. No?
Repeat, Miss.
Okay.
I got 2 free tickets for the midnight show. Would you like to come with me?
You don't have tickets for the matinee show?
Where are they probably going?
Oke. Ternyata pembicara kedua juga bilang tickets. Ada kata kunci lainnya? Selain tickets? Show? Nobody heard that?
Maternity show.
Oh, got it. Kalau di ini istilahnya. Oke. Matinee show. Matinee show ini maksudnya show yang di siang hari. Jadi kalau kita bioskop jam berapa yang pertama? Jam 1? Jam 1, jam 3, jam 5, those are matinee shows. Okay. So where are they going anyway?
Movie theater.
Movie theater. Got it. Yeah, movie theater. Yang punya tiket movie theater. Got it. Number 10, 26 people. Please type your answer in the chat box. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Stop. Okay. Now let's listen to the audio and find the keywords. 12 detik tuh nggak lama loh, dan itu seharusnya digunakan untuk membaca jawaban berikutnya.
Number 10.
Excuse me. I want these trousers, but they seem quite big for me.
You can try them on in the fitting room over there.
Who is the woman?
Kedengaran kata kunci apa? Fitting room, exactly. Tuh, fitting room. Siapa sih yang perempuan berarti? Nyaranin masuk ke fitting room? Office staff? Apakah mereka sedang di kantor? No.
No.
Courtroom attendant. Yang jaga courtroom attendant tuh kalau di bahasa Inggris yang jaga
Ruang ganti ya.
mantel. Jadi kalau di luar negeri karena dingin mereka pakai mantel di luar bajunya kan. Nanti kalau masuk rumah orang atau masuk ke gedung gitu, mantelnya dititipin. Nah, itu courtroom attendant. Oke. Emang tadi ngomongin coat atau pants?
Pants.
Pants. So B is incorrect. Sales clerk. Artinya apa sih sales clerk? Learners, sales clerk. Sales. Kalau salesman, orang yang jualan. Sales clerk, jaga toko. Okay. Seamstress. Please find the meaning of seamstress. Sekalian belajar kata baru. Seamstress.
Penjahit, mah.
Penjahit. Got it. So which one is it?
D.
Tadi lagi di toko atau lagi di penjahit?
Lagi di penjahit.
Fitting room loh. Kata kuncinya kan fitting room tadi. Biasanya nemu fitting room di mana?
Toko, ma'am.
Toko. So C is the answer actually. Okay, the answer is C. Toko. Got it. There you go. That's the review for Unit 3. Kalau terbiasa mendengar, terbiasa jawab cepat, insya Allah semuanya jadi kebiasaan. Okay. Now let's go to Unit 4. This time I would like to do exercise 4. Ini Unit 4. Kok nggak ada exercise 4? Salah berarti. Exercise 1, 2, 3. Okay, exercise 3 then. I'm going to play the audio for all numbers. Please, seperti tadi, silakan tulis jawaban kalian di kertas dulu, nanti akan kita cek bersama. Okay.
Exercise 3. Directions. Listen carefully to the short conversations and the questions. Then, choose the best answer to each question. You should focus on the second speaker's line containing phrasal verbs. Number 1.
Betty has been absent from class for a week. Her mother said she had to stay in bed.
Why don't we call on her this weekend?
What does the man suggest they do? Number 2.
I'm glad you can come. I heard you had a toothache.
Fortunately, I'm getting over it.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
Why do you have to write another composition?
Professor Smith turned down my topic.
What does the man mean? Number 4.
How come Andrew had to take the same subject again this semester?
The professor found out that he copied his friend's paper.
What does the woman mean? Number 5.
What do you think of Jane's children?
I think they have to learn to look up to their parents.
What does the man think about Jane's children? Number
What are you planning to do this weekend?
I'm looking forward to my first date with Emma.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Are you going to Rick's birthday party this evening?
Sorry, I can't. My sister is in the hospital and I have to look after her son.
What does the woman have to do this evening? Number 8.
You look upset. What's the matter?
I can't get along with my roommate, so I'm thinking of moving to a dorm.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
How come almost everybody hates Janet?
She often looks down on people.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
I haven't seen the Hollands at the disco for the last 3 months.
They cut down on their entertainment budget since they are expecting a child.
What are the Hollands trying to do?
Okay. Ready? Remember, 12 detik itu seharusnya digunakan untuk membaca jawaban pertanyaan berikutnya. So, maksimum tuh sebenarnya 2 detik lah kalian isi jawaban. Ngeklik jawaban itu 2 detik. Make yourself ready. Biasakan untuk selalu siaga. Oke. Please, number one answer, go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. Okay. I have A, B, C. Let's check and find the keyword.
Then, choose the best answer to each question. You should focus on the second speaker's line containing phrasal verbs. Number 1.
Betty has been absent from class for a week. Her mother said she had to stay in bed.
Why don't we call on her this weekend?
What does the man suggest they do?
Okay. What's the keyword?
Call her.
Call her. So the answer is?
A.
A. Thank you. The answer is A. Call her this weekend. Okay. Now let's check number 2. Please type your answer in the chat box. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. I have A and B. Okay. Let's listen to the audio and find the keyword. Words.
Number 2.
I'm glad you can come. I heard you had a toothache.
Fortunately, I'm getting over it.
What does the woman mean?
What's the keyword?
Over it.
Getting over it.
Getting over it. Artinya apa sih getting over it?
Berlebihan.
Berlebihan, no. Get over it.
Di atasnya.
Di atasnya, almost. Get over it means melewatinya. Okay, melewatinya. So, what does it mean then when you already get over it? Kalau udah melewati penyakit berarti udah
Feels better.
sudah tambah baik. So, which one is it?
A.
A. Got it. A is the answer. Akan sembuh. Yep.
Itu tadi fortunately apa unfortunately, ma'am?
Fortunately.
Oh.
Kita ulang sekali lagi supaya kalian yakin. Kita dengarkan.
I heard you had a toothache.
Fortunately, I'm getting over it.
What
There. Fortunately, I'm getting over it. Okay. Untungnya saya sudah melewatinya. There you go. She feels better now. Number 3, ready? Please type your answer. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. I have B and C. Okay, B and C. Let's listen to the audio.
does the woman mean?
Professor Smith turned down my topic.
What does the man mean?
Cukup pembicara kedua. What did you hear? What's the keyword?
Turn down my topic.
Turn down my topic. What does it mean by turn down?
Menolak.
Menolak. Exactly, menolak. So which one is it? A, B, C, D?
B.
C.
B.
E.
Didn't approve.
Check. The professor asked the man to keep on with the topic. Berarti diteruskan topiknya. Salah. The professor didn't approve his topic. Tidak menyetujui topiknya. Mungkin. C, the professor suggested another topic.
No.
Emangnya dia nyaranin? Enggak, cuman suruh doang ganti topik. Cari-cari sendiri topiknya. The professor didn't like the topic. Tidak suka topiknya.
Enggak.
Enggak juga. Mana kita tahu dia suka nggak suka. Mungkin nggak disetujui karena sudah pernah ada yang bikin topik itu. So, the professor didn't approve his topic. B is the best answer. Kadang-kadang pilihannya ada dua seperti ini agak membingungkan, B dan D. Ya iya ditolak, berarti nggak suka kali profesornya. But no, probably it's not about like or dislike. Mungkin karena sudah atau dianggap copy pasting dari siswa lain, siapa yang tahu. Okay. Number 4, type in, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 3 major answers. Ada yang jawaban B, D, dan C. Let's listen and find the keywords.
Number 4.
How come Andrew had to take the same subject again this semester?
The professor found out that he copied his friend's paper.
What does the woman mean?
Okay. What are the keywords? Kata kuncinya?
Copy.
Found out
Copy.
and because copy his friends.
Got it. Find out, copy. Berarti dia ngopi kerjaan
Punyanya
temannya.
temannya.
Exactly. Let's find out which one is it. A. Andrew told the professor. Emangnya
Tidak.
Andrew ngaku
No.
sama profesor? No, iyalah. Kalau kita ngopi mana kita ngaku. B. Andrew copied the professor's paper. Yang di-copy? No, punya temennya. Okay. C. The professor discovered that Andrew deceived him. Deceived. Apa sih artinya deceived?
Menipu.
Tertipu.
Menipu. Oke, menipu. D. The professor told Andrew to take another test.
No.
No, enggak juga. So C is the answer. Karena copy paste dianggap menipu. Okay. Professor discovered that Andrew deceived him. Okay. Number 5, type in your answer now. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, the majority of you answered B and A. Let's check B or A for number 5.
Number 5.
What do you think of Jane's children?
I think they have to learn to look up to their parents.
What does the man think about Jane's children?
What's the keyword?
Look up.
Learn
Look
and
up.
look up to the parents.
Got it. Look up. Kalau arti harfiahnya sih dongap. Look up. Tapi artinya apa sih di sini? Look up to their parents.
Menghormati orang tua.
Menghormati orang tua. Got it. So look up to their parents. Menghormati. Of course, if you know that one, you will know that the answer is A. Respect. Okay. Look up. Kalau nggak pernah dengar istilah look up, pasti nggak tahu. Tapi karena kita udah pernah latihan dengan look up, insya Allah begitu dengar lagi look up di TOEFL, oh look up tuh yang respect. Okay. Udah mulai nyambung gitu. Jadi ya emang latihan, kata kuncinya ya harus latihan. Jadi kalau boleh diibaratkan nih, kelas percakapan tuh seperti maraton. Oke. Jadi lari maraton perjalanannya agak panjang, tapi yang dilatih adalah percakapan. Jadi satu skill. Kalau kalian TOEFL prep ini lari 100 meter, harus cepat, harus siap, harus fungsional. Jadi nggak bisa leyeh-leyeh terus yang nggak bisa. Ini memang harus mainnya begitu. Okay. Number 6, please type in your answer in the chat box. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. No, cuma dapat berapa orang tuh? 10 kali 11. Okay. So some of you answered A, C, and D. Let's check the audio. 17 lainnya belum siap. Belum siaga tadi.
What are you planning to do this weekend?
I'm looking forward to my first date with Emma.
What does the man mean?
Kemarin kita udah belajar looking forward to. Artinya looking forward to, masih ingat?
Menanti.
Menanti, thank you. Menanti-nanti. So which one is the answer?
A.
No, not really. Let's check. A, he is telling the woman about his girlfriend.
Oh, D.
Dia ngomongin tentang pacarnya ke wanita tersebut.
No.
Iya, but the question is, what is the man going to do? Yang ingin dilakukan. So his girlfriend is asking him to stay at her house.
No.
Tadi dia tinggal di rumah. No, he is meeting his girlfriend in his dream. Apalagi ini. Enggak lah, orang beneran mau ketemu kok. So D is the answer. Anticipating. What does it mean, anticipating?
Antisipasi.
Mengantisipasi. A wonderful event. Kejadian yang menyenangkan. Kenapa menyenangkan?
Because first date.
Yeah, first date, ketemu pacarnya pertama kali. So, there you go. Okay, number 7. 27 people, please type in your answer now. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. Okay.
Number 7.
Are you going to Rick's birthday party this evening?
Sorry, I can't. My sister is in the hospital, and I have to look after her son.
What does the woman have to do this evening?
What's the keyword? Kata kuncinya?
Look up her son.
Look up. Bukan
Her
look up.
son.
Not look up.
Looking for her son.
Almost. Not looking for.
Pokoknya anaknya saudaranya.
Got it. This is the difference with phrasal verbs. Look up. Tadi kita udah bilang look up adalah menghormati. Look for, mencari. Okay. Look after, menjaga. Tuh, dari 3 kata look aja udah bisa berbeda-beda artinya. Look after, menjaga. Look up, menghormati. Look for, mencari. Tadi yang perempuan bilang, look after my sister's son. So,
Menjaga anaknya.
menjaga anaknya dia atau anaknya?
Anaknya saudaranya. Anaknya dia. Oh, anaknya saudaranya itu.
Anaknya saudaranya. Got it. Anaknya saudaranya berarti?
Nephew.
Nephew. Exactly. Nephew itu artinya apa sih?
Ponakan.
Keponakan. Bahasa Inggris ada bedanya. Keponakan
laki-laki.
Exactly. Keponakan laki-laki. Kalau keponakan perempuan?
Niece.
Niece. Exactly. So the answer is A, B, C, or D? B. Thank you. Watch her nephew. Number 8. Please type your answer now. 28 people. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Stop. Majority of you said B. There's A. There are also C's, but let's check.
Number 8.
You look upset. What's the matter?
I can't get along with my roommate, so I'm thinking of moving to a dorm.
What does the woman mean?
Okay, what's the keyword? Or what are the keywords?
Roommate.
Roommate, ada lagi?
I can't get longer.
Get along. Get along itu artinya apa sih?
Menjauh.
Pindah jauh.
No.
Menjauh.
Get along. Get along means akur. Tuh. Nggak bisa akur sama teman sekamarnya. So, which one is the answer?
B.
She doesn't have a good relationship with her roommate. Exactly. Thank you. Okay, so B is the answer. Get along. From 8 numbers, we already get so many phrasal verbs. Ada phrasal verbs baru yang kita pelajari. Get along, look after, and so on. Okay. Number 9, please type in your answer. Go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. Okay. As far as I see it, nobody got the correct answer for number 9. Oh, okay. Let's check then. Oh, by the way, Fatur actually answered correctly, D. But Fatur passed the time, kelewatan waktunya. Apa jadinya?
Aku salah, Mem, tadi, Mem.
Gak boleh gitu. You cannot do that. Sama
So,
aja.
I answer 2 times. Tadi aku udah jawab A sih, cuman jawaban aku D.
Oke. So, begitu kalian menjawab di luar waktunya, berarti kalian udah kelewatan. Udah gimana ya? You are missing a point. Udah kehilangan 1 angka. Kalau misalnya tadi belum jawab sama sekali, terus tahu-tahu begitu waktunya udah habis, oh iya baru jawab. Let's find the keywords.
Number 9.
How come almost everybody hates Janet?
She often looks down on people.
What does the woman mean?
Okay. What are the keywords?
Stand around, stand depannya, Miss. Stand apa di people?
Nggak ada stand-nya loh padahal. Dengerin sekali lagi deh.
Look down.
There you go. Look down.
Number 9.
How come almost everybody hates Janet?
She often looks down on people.
What does
She often looks down on people. Tadi look up, menghormat, looks down.
Tidak menghormati.
Remehkan.
Meremehkan, got it. Meremehkan orang lain. So the answer is D, because A, B, and C are positive. Jadi jawabannya ini juga bisa nih. Kalau kalian tadi pakai logika jawabnya,
Head.
nggak bisa dilihat. A, B, C jawabannya positif. Yang beda sama sekali itu D. Alah, paling jawabannya D lah. Misalnya nggak dengar audionya. Okay, so you can also use your logic to answer TOEFL. Then the next one, number 10, please type your answer in the chat box. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. Okay, I saw A's and C's. Let's listen and find the keywords.
the woman mean? Number 10.
I haven't seen the Hollands at the disco for the last 3 months.
They cut down on their entertainment budget since they are expecting a child.
What are the Hollands trying to do?
Okay, What are the keywords? Ada yang kedengaran tadi dari pembicara kedua?
Take down on entertain budget.
Cut down on the entertainment budget. Cut down. Nah, kalau udah dipotong berarti mengurangi.
Mengurangi.
Which one is mengurangi? A is the answer. Thank you. C is automatically incorrect. Spend more. Menghabiskan lebih. No. Have more children. Siapa yang ngomongin punya anak lagi? They are expecting a child. Okay. Keep going to the disco as usual. But no, the answer is A. Spend less money on entertainment. There you go. Okay. That's the exercises. Those are the exercises for Unit 3 and 4. Now we're going to go to our schedule for tonight, Unit 8. Minggu lalu kita udah membahas sebagian besar dari Unit 8. But let's check some that I asked you to read on your own. Waktu itu ada yang saya minta kalian untuk baca sendiri di buku. Now let's do this together. Okay. Plural ini udah nih kemarin. I'm going to check. I hope you still remember. What are some words that is always followed by singular? Yang selalu diikuti dengan kata-kata singular.
The.
No.
This.
This.
No.
The.
Ada ada another.
Another.
A single.
A single. Silakan cek lagi bukunya. Sekalian kita mengingat-ingat yang kita pelajari minggu lalu. Okay. An. One. This, that, a single, another, each, every. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, an. What else?
This, that, each.
This, that, each.
Another, a single.
Another, a single. Setiap.
Every.
Every. Okay. Those are words that are followed by singular nouns. Harus diikuti dengan kata yang bentuknya tunggal. How about the ones that are followed by plural nouns? Yang harus diikuti dengan bentuk jamak.
All.
At least 5. All.
Some.
Some.
These, those.
These, those.
Other.
One more. Other. Okay, got it. So those are some words, beberapa kata yang harus diikuti dengan bentuk jamak. Harus dihafalin tuh segitu. Iya, harus dihafalin beneran, sumpah, nggak bohong. So you need to memorize those. Nih, use plural nouns after the words below. Okay. Now let's check this one out. When you have words that indicates numbers, jadi kalau ada kata-kata yang memberikan bentuk angka, do not put them in a plural form. Got it. It follow a number, but do not put them in a plural form. Okay. Let's check the example. Apa sih artinya instruksinya nih? Can somebody please tell me the meaning?
Ketika sebuah kata adalah ratusan, ribuan atau jutaan, diikuti dengan angka, jangan menggunakan them pada waktu plural.
Exactly. Thank you. So let's check this one out. Follow a number. Number 1. Yang angkanya yang mana?
2.
2. And then diikuti
100.
oleh 100. Benar
100.
atau salah?
Benar.
Benar. Remember, 100-nya jangan dirubah pakai S. Do not put them in a plural form. Jangan dijadiin 200s. Okay. How about number 2? Learners?
Thousands. Oh.
The project needs $6,000. Yang angka adalah
6,000.
6. Berarti thousands-nya seharusnya
1,000 without S.
Exactly, $6,000. The next one, hundreds of volunteers. Ada angka di situ?
No.
No. Bener nggak dipakein S? Betul. Okay, hundreds of volunteers. Kalau nggak ada angka di depannya, berarti boleh pakai S. How about number 4?
60.
Wrong.
Wrong. Why?
60,000.
So it should be
60,000.
1,000 with S.
1,000 rupiah. Okay. The next one. Right or wrong? Ada angka nggak di depannya?
Ada
10.
Salah tens.
Sebenarnya di sini tens-nya masuk puluhan artinya. Jadi sama kayak kalau ratusan hundred, ribuan thousand, jutaan million, 10 artinya puluhan. Jadi bukan berarti 10 tapi puluhan. Okay, so, puluhan remaja. Tens. It's actually correct. Benar, karena nggak ada angka di depannya. Okay, so tens of teenagers were arrested. That's about numbers. Ini harus diingat, yes. Nah, ini repotnya structure. Kalau structure tuh penuh dengan memorization, penuh dengan hafalan, ingatan. Yang paling mudah, seperti saya bilang, the easiest one is reading, because you already have everything there. Waktunya pun paling lama, 1 menit. Semuanya ada di situ, santai. And then the second easiest one is listening, karena materinya juga diberikan di situ. Cuman kadang-kadang kita merasa, kedengeran nih, apaan sih? So, the hardest one is structure. Why? Because it concerns your memory. Harus punya ingatan yang kuat. How do we actually memorize this? Gimana cara ngafalnya coba segini banyak? Well, you just need to practice a lot. Latihan yang sering, lama-lama juga hafal sendiri. Okay. Check this one out. Be careful of irregular plural nouns. What does it mean by irregular?
Kayak kata-kata yang
tidak beraturan. Got it. Biasanya kalau kita mau bikin kata bentuk jamak, tinggal ditambahin S di belakangnya. but these are irregular plural nouns. So please check the examples of irregular plural nouns. Dari bagian ini, can you see my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. From this part, which one is the irregular plural noun?
Sheep.
Sheep. And then?
Datum.
Datum. Data.
Man.
So actually, these are all irregular plural nouns. Okay. Karena kita nggak cuma menambahi S. Nggak bisa cuma ditambahin S. But we need to memorize that sheep, seberapapun banyaknya, tetap sheep. Sound the sheep. Okay. Species. Walaupun cuma satu, tetap ada S-nya. Species. So you don't have species. And then data. Data tuh udah plural. Jangan ditambahin lagi S. Datus. Dalam bahasa Inggris nggak ada kata datus. Ox. Oxen. Kerbau. Man, men. Woman, women. Gentleman, gentleman. Okay. Now let's check the example. Okay. Number 1, please read Fatur Alfaris.
The research present a lot of valuable datums.
True or false?
False.
Why?
Datums.
Datums. What's the plural form?
Data.
Data. Data. Thank you. So seharusnya the research presented a lot of valuable data. Number 2, please read Muhammad Bagus Indrastata.
Ox are usually used as draft animals.
Why is it incorrect?
Oxes.
Seharusnya?
Ox.
No. What's the plural form of ox?
Oxen.
Oxen.
Yes.
There you go. Oxen.
Sorry, Miss.
Okay. Number 3, please read Rizky Maulana. Rizky Maulana, please read number 3.
Yes, sure. Most housewives prefer to have part-time jobs.
Most housewives prefer to have part-time jobs. Betul atau salah? Everyone can answer this, not only Rizky Maulana. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Let's check again. What's the plural form of housewife?
Yes. Benar.
Kita punya wife di sini pakai F, pakai E. Begitu plural jadi pakai V, and ES. Oke. Jadi kalau housewife udah benar kah atau masih salah?
Benar.
True.
Udah betul. Got it. True. This is true. Number 4, Gali Hastonugroho, please read.
Mom, some species of animal are endangered.
Is it true or false?
True, Mom.
True.
Check again.
False.
True.
False.
False. Kenapa
Species.
salah? Species. Got it. Species mau
Without
satu, mau
ES.
banyak, betul nggak pakai
Nggak
IS.
pakai S ya.
Cukup species sampai sini aja, nggak usah pakai IS lagi. Species. Okay. So only that.
False.
Number 5. Please read Menko Khalima. Henko, please read number 5. Mulai mendekati jam 9. Raib. Dito Hewi Julianto, please read number 5. Dito Hewi? No. Okay. Okay,
Saya
go.
pakai handphone, ma'am.
It's okay. Can you please read number 5? I'm pretty sure even though you use a cell phone, you can still see the shared screen and unmute yourself. Seharusnya sih kalau pakai HP tetap bisa lihat shared screen dan buka audio dalam waktu yang bersamaan. I don't know. Prasasti Desta, please read number 5. No, Prasasti Desta. Erlin Yuli, please read number 5.
Yes, Mom.
Okay.
Auroras are natural phenomena that can be seen in the far northern and southern hemispheres of the Earth.
Benar atau salah? Is it true or false?
True, maybe.
Okay. Let's check here. Do we have anything that has something to do with that? Okay. So according to Erlin, it is true. And yes, it is true. Wait, hang on. Where is it? Oh, this one, okay. So yes, number 5 is true. Auroras are natural phenomena that, oh, it's incorrect. Salahnya di sini. Please Google for phenomenons. Yang pakai laptop lebih gampang. Silakan Google kata phenomenons and find the plural form of phenomenons. Silakan cari bentuk jamak dari phenomenon.
Itu, Ma'am. Still phenomenons.
Still phenomenon? Really?
No, phenomena.
Phenomena, there you go. Plural form of phenomenon in English. Phenomenon is singular. There you go. Plural phenomena. Phenomenon, phenomena. There you go. Jadi kalau bentuk satunya phenomenon, the plural is phenomena. That's why this is incorrect because it's not phenomenons. Aurorasnya benar. Auroras are itu benar, tapi phenomenonsnya salah. Okay? There you go. Irregular plural nouns. Ada banyak amat dah yang irregular. Iya, unfortunately, there are a lot of things or small things in English that is so weird for us. Yang bagi kita orang Indonesia cukup aneh. Kenapa sih nggak satu aja bendanya terus ditambahin kata banyak untuk jadi plural? Ya kalau kita orang Indonesia, bahasa Inggris mah beda. Okay, so that's why we need to learn these. Now, let's check. Ini kemarin udah uncountable noun. This one we haven't talked about. What does uncountable noun mean? Do you still remember? Kita udah bahas tentang nounnya uncountable. Anyone? Uncountable noun? Count. Count artinya?
Hitung.
Hitung. Kalau ada awalan un, kita udah belajar artinya negatif. So, uncount.
Tak terhitung.
Tak terhitung. Tidak bisa dihitung. Got it. Example of uncountable noun. Water. Thank you. What else? Masih ingat yang kemarin? Contohnya uncountable nouns?
Salt.
Salt.
Pepper.
Pepper. Thank you. Yang cair,
Gas.
yang berbentuk butiran,
Liquid.
biasanya semua uncountable. Okay. Now, when you use uncountable nouns, you cannot use many. Ini bedanya much sama many. Mungkin kalian masih ingat waktu di SMP biasanya pelajaran ini. Much, many. Many, you use it for countable nouns. But for uncountable nouns, you use much. Sama-sama artinya banyak. Tapi yang satu khusus untuk countable, yang satu khusus untuk uncountable. Okay. And then you also have little. Little, sedikit, for uncountable. Sedikit untuk countable, a few. Few. Okay. Jadi bedanya di situ. Countable few, uncountable little. A little. There you go. Now, these, the ones with the asterisk, yang ada asterisknya, bisa dipakai untuk countable dan uncountable. Now let's check the exercise. Okay, number 1, please read. Akso.
Yes, miss. They have to live on whatever little money they earn.
Sudah benar atau masih salah?
Sudah. They earns maybe.
Oh,
Little
this
money.
one kalau latihan kayak gini, kita fokusnya hanya ke yang dibahas strategi sebelumnya. So check the nouns, money, and then little. Benarkah kalau money pakai little? Money, is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Yang bisa dihitung adalah lembarannya, koinnya. So dollar bills, coins, but not money. Jadi udah benar, little money. Okay. Number 2, please read. Raffi Mahardika.
She came up with plenty of ideas during the class.
What's the noun? Nounnya apa?
Plenty.
No, that's not a noun. Justru ideas ini nounnya. Ideas is the noun. Yang kata benda adalah idenya. So when you have ideas, is it singular or plural? Learners, ideas, singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural. Bisakah pakai plenty of? Can you use plenty of ideas?
No.
They can also be used with countable plural nouns. Boleh dipakai untuk plural nouns. Okay, countable. So yes, number 2 is correct. Number 3, Danudiningrat, please read.
Yes, ma'am. There were quite an amount of students coming to the seminar on the question.
Thank you. Pertemuan kemarin kita udah ngomongin 3 kata itu kan? Quite, quiet, and quit. I remember we have talked about that. No?
Ya.
Not yet. Udah ya? Udah. So, this one is not quiet. This one is quite. Quite. Artinya apa yang quite ini?
Lumayan atau cukup.
Lumayan atau cukup. Got it. So, let's check this one out. What's the noun?
Student.
Students. Is it plural or singular?
Plural.
Plural. Bolehkah pakai an amount of?
Boleh.
No.
Tidak.
Nggak boleh. Yang boleh dipakai untuk plural yang ada asterisknya. So all, some, a lot of, lots of, plenty of. Yang 4 ini khusus untuk uncountable nouns. So you cannot use it for countable plural. Okay. So number 3 is incorrect. Masih salah nih. What's the correct one? Kalau mau kita betulin, apa yang harus diganti?
An amount.
An amount of, silakan diganti dengan salah satu dari asterisk.
Lots of.
Lots of. Okay. There were quite lots of students. Bisa diganti itu. Number 4, please read. Siapa nih? Yuda Sandiantoro. Sorry. Yuda, please read number 4. Gifford Asamana, please read number 4. Okay. No? Ika Sulistia, please read number 4. Okay, Indra Simbolon, please read number 4. Ini pada nggak mau baca karena malu nanti salah atau gimana sih? I don't understand. Like when you are reading what is on the text, you are making use or making familiar yourself with the sentence. Kita membiasakan diri mendengar suara kita sendiri, memahami arti katanya, and so on. So it's not about right or wrong, bukan tentang masalah salah atau betul bacanya. No, it's about you getting used to reading the questions or the problem. Okay? We did not see much houses in the area. Salah atau betul? What's the noun?
Houses.
Houses. Salah atau betul? Much houses?
Salah.
Salah karena
Plural.
Countable.
Countable. Got it. This is countable. Do you still remember what I said? What do you have to use for countable nouns? Plural? Many. Thank you. We did not see many houses in the area. Number 5. What's the noun?
Research.
Research. Thank you. Can you use a lot of?
Little.
Tapi boleh nggak pakai a lot of?
Boleh. True.
True. This can be used for uncountable or countable nouns. So yes, you can use them for a lot of research. There you go. Okay, the next one. Do not put uncountable nouns into plural form. Nah, ini. Uncountable nouns including subjects, mata pelajaran. So please check number 1. What is it? Physics. Apa sih physics itu?
Fisika.
Fisika. Got it. Fisikanya cuma satu, mata pelajarannya cuma satu. Kenapa ada S di belakangnya? Ya udah begitu, sama orang Inggris dikasihnya semua mata pelajaran ada S-nya. Mathematics, physics, civics, economics, but they are all one. So uncountable nouns. Okay. Number 1, udah betul atau salah? Physics is. Physics berarti singular, pakai is. Betul atau salah?
No.
Betul. So
Yeah.
number 1 is correct. Number 2, what's the noun?
Sunlight.
Okay. The one that we're aiming for here is sunlight. Pernah lihat sunlight pakai S? Have you ever seen sunlights with S?
No, ma'am.
No, because it is uncountable. You don't use sunlights. Okay, cuman ada sunlight. Ingat-ingat aja sabun cuci piring, sunlight. Nggak ada tuh yang namanya sunlights. Okay, sunlight. So no S. It is incorrect. Number 3. What's wrong with this? Salahnya di mana nomor 3?
A lot of coffees.
Harusnya
Coffee.
coffee aja. Got it. Coffee, cairan. Like I said, cairan, butiran, usually they are uncountable. Biasanya uncountable. So coffee. Number 4. Udah benar atau salah? That's true. Whenever you read news, it's always uncountable noun, singular. So no news is, padanannya news pakai is, bukan are. No news is good news. Got it. Okay, number 5. Ada yang salah dari kalimat ini?
Cannot.
Oke, kenapa salah cannot-nya? No? This is the correct form or the formal form of can't. Jadi kalau kita biasanya ngomong dalam percakapan can't with C-A-N apostrophe T, then the formal form is cannot. Oh yeah, one more thing. Typically, umumnya semua teks di dalam TOEFL adalah dalam bentuk formal. So you may never see something like this, can't. Biasanya nggak ada nih dalam teks can't or don't. When you have listening, mungkin ada kalau di listening karena audio. Tapi begitu teks, you will not find these forms of words. Okay? Semuanya akan tertulis seperti ini. Cannot, do not, something like that. So cats, plural, pepper, singular. Pepper tadi uncountable atau countable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable, butiran. Okay, so pepper, not peppers. Got it. So it is actually correct. Now, more strategies. Okay. Ini juga udah dibahas kemarin. Dan en kalau bendanya belum diketahui atau baru diperkenalkan, it's a pencil. Pakai the kalau bendanya udah diperkenalkan atau sudah tahu pemiliknya. The pencil is mine. Okay. The pencil is mine. You don't use a pencil is mine. Pensil yang itu punyaku. Okay. And then use the with superlative. Superlative, if you still remember your lessons in high school, junior high school, superlatives adalah artinya yang ter. When you use superlatives, you have to use the. Okay. Let's check superlatives and words like first, most, next, last, same, and only. Kita ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's check number 1. Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Right. Kenapa benar?
Karena the only.
The only. Thank you. Ingat di sini only harus pakai the only. Got it. Number 2, is it right or wrong? Number 2?
Wrong, maybe.
Wrong. Kenapa salah?
Karena nggak ada the-nya.
Nggak ada the-nya. Got it. It should be the next. Setiap pakai kata next harus ada the next. Okay. Number 3, is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Why?
Wrong. Tidak ada adanya, mem.
Di sebelah mana seharusnya ada the-nya?
Same, the same. Recruit the same. Recruit the same.
Recruit the same. Okay. The same number of employees. Exactly. Thank you. The same number of employees. Number 4, is it right or wrong?
Right.
Right.
Correct.
Why is it correct?
The most.
The most. Thank you. The most, superlative, the most. Number 5, is it correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct.
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Why?
Matches.
Correct.
Matches. Most.
Ah, salahnya itu bukan di last night. Karena ini udah ada the-nya di depan last night. Salahnya justru di sini. The most exciting. Salahnya di situ. The most exciting. Oke. Ini juga udah kita bahas kemarin. Use the untuk benda-benda langit. Oke. So the sun, the moon, the world, the sky, the cloud, and so on. The rainbow. How about number 1?
The Hilton.
The Hilton.
Correct.
Salah atau betul?
Correct.
Correct. Mereknya emang bener The Hilton. Okay. So you cannot do anything about it. Number 2.
Correct.
Correct. Why?
Correct.
The moon.
The moon. Thank you. Number
Top
3.
the moon.
Correct.
Why?
The rain. Rain.
The rain. Got it. Benar kok. Ground is wet after the rain last night. Number 4.
Wrong.
Why?
The last week.
The last week. Not really. Kalau nggak ada week-nya, iya pakai the last. Tapi ini ada week-nya, jadi nggak perlu pakai the last week. We went to
The city zoo.
the city zoo. Thank you. We went to the city zoo last week. Number 5.
In the sky.
In the sky.
The sky. We already have this from last practice. Okay. Now this one, ini panjang nih. The is not used with names. Jadi nama jangan dipakein the. semua nama tidak pakai the. You don't say the Teti, the, I don't know, the, siapa ya? The Raffi Ahmad. You don't say that. Including months and days, nama hari, nama bulan, nama bahan kimia, nama, this one, chemical substances, nama continents. What is continents?
Daratan.
Gordon?
Benua.
Benua. Nama benua. Capes, bays, and points. Capes, apa sih artinya capes?
Kayak danau atau
Okay, so model-model teluk.
ya teluk maksudnya saya tuh, Mas.
Got it. So semua yang merupakan nama jangan dipakein the. Nama negara, nama negara bagian, kecuali exceptions. Emang negaranya yang ngasih nama the di depannya. For example, the Netherlands, the Philippines. Kalau kita biasa bilang cuman Filipina, padahal aslinya nama negara mereka adalah the Philippines. Ada the-nya dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay, the Philippines. Nama kota, so it's not the Jakarta, the Surabaya, the New York. It is only New York, Jakarta, Surabaya. Kecuali kotanya minta dikasih nama the, like the Hague, Den Haag. Kalau bahasa aslinya Den Haag, tapi bahasa Inggrisnya The Hague. Okay. Nama jalan, nama taman. So you don't say the taman di Surabaya apa nih? Oh, the Bungkul Park. You don't say the Bungkul Park. Just say Bungkul Park. Okay, it's the name of the park. Nggak pakai the. Islands. Nama pulau. You don't say the Java Island. Just say Java Island. Okay. Gunung, danau, no the, semua nama. Kecuali, ada kecualinya. Memang nama aslinya minta dikasih the Great Salt Lake. Okay. Nama airport, you don't say the Cengkareng. Just say Cengkareng Airport. Okay. Or Soekarno-Hatta Airport. It's not the Soekarno-Hatta Airport. The name of universities. So all names with exceptions. Kecuali memang diminta oleh yang mengasih nama. Now, the, however, is used for these followings. Yang ini berikut harus pakai the. Regions with a compass direction. Yang di depannya ada nama mata angin. For example, the north of Surabaya. Loh, tadi katanya Surabaya nggak pakai the. Bahkan ada north-nya. Karena ada nama mata angin, you use the north of Surabaya. The south of Surabaya. Okay. Groups of islands. Kepulauan. Bukan satu pulau lah ya, kepulauan. So for example like this, the Bahamas, the Canaries, the Malukus, Kepulauan Maluku. There you go. Groups of lakes, lagi-lagi group. Mountain ranges, pegunungan yang gimana ya, lebih dari satu. So mountain ranges. For example, in Indonesia is I forget the name. Ada yang ingat nama pegunungan di Sumatera?
Kerinci.
Yang berbaris. I forgot the name. So sorry. So mountain ranges yang pegunungannya gunungnya lebih dari satu. Pardon?
Bukit Barisan Mem.
Bukit Barisan, thank you. So those are mountain ranges, Bukit Barisan. Jadi nggak cuma satu gunungnya, okay? So you use the for those. Deserts. What are deserts anyway?
Padang. Gurun.
Gurun, thank you. So all deserts use the. Peninsulas, the. Oceans, seas, rivers, gulfs. Wah amat sih bahasa Inggris. Iya, unfortunately, it is that varies in English. Sebegitu beragamnya dalam bahasa Inggris penyebutan. The aja bedanya macam-macam. Okay? So oceans, lautan, sungai, gulfs, canals, semuanya pakai the. Now let's check this one out. Number 1, true or false?
False.
Why?
Atmosfer.
Atmosfer benar loh, kan
Oksigen.
benda langit.
Oksigen.
Oksigen. Kenapa salah?
Adanya.
Nggak boleh pakai the.
Nggak boleh
kimia.
pakai the. Nama bahan kimia nggak boleh pakai the. Oxygen is enough. Oxygen makes up about 70% of the atmosphere. Atmosfernya benar pakai the, karena benda langit. So the atmosphere. Number 2, is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Why?
The Australia.
Australia.
Seharusnya
Australia.
Australia aja. Kenapa?
Karena negaranya emang tidak ada.
Sudah dari negaranya.
Nama negara dan negaranya memang nggak ngasih the di depan namanya. Number 3, is it right or wrong?
Himalayas.
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 Cek. Himalayas ada S-nya. Berarti satu atau lebih dari satu tuh?
Lebih dari satu.
Lebih dari satu. Itu mountain ranges. Himalaya is a mountain ranges. Kalau tadi Bukit Barisan harus pakai the, berarti Himalayas juga harus pakai the. So the Himalayas. Number 4. Is it true or false?
True.
True. Mount Fuji. Nggak perlu ada the di depannya. Okay, so not the Mount Fuji. Number 5.
False.
Why?
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls.
With S, so we make it the.
Niagara Falls should be with the. There you go. If you check this one out. The Niagara Falls. Oh, this one. Groups of the Niagara Falls has become a tourist attraction. Now, I'm still going to give out the challenge from last session. Unit 8 kemarin yang ngerjain challenge-nya hanya 3 orang. So I'm going to give you 2 more challenges. This is the way I take your score for this week. Ambil nilai kalian untuk minggu ini. Ada 2 challenges. So please do the challenges. I'm going to open it until Sunday. Jadi hari Sabtu pukul 11 saya akhiri challenge-nya. Masih cukup lama waktunya, kerjakan ketika kalian ada waktu lowong, jangan dipaksakan ketika lagi sibuk ngerjain challenge. Percuma. Okay? So, you need to do the challenge when you have the time. Santai. Pikirannya fokus, jangan mikirin yang lain-lain. Karena ngerjain challenge itu sama dengan kalian ngerjain TOEFL. Okay? So, I will share the challenge later. Nanti akan saya bagi challenge-nya. For now, I'm going to give you the attendance list. Daftar hadir. Okay, hang on. Do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
There you go. That's the attendance list. Feel free to leave the Zoom room after you finish completing the form. Thank you for joining me tonight for your session 5. Terima kasih sudah bergabung. Jangan lupa challenge-nya dikerjain. Kemarin hadir tapi nggak ngisi absen, atau hadir tapi nggak ngerjain challenge, berarti ya sama aja. Nilainya juga nilai minimum. Kalau hadir nggak ngisi absen, ya nggak dihitung hadir. So, please do. Good night, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.
Thank you for joining the class.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Good rest, everyone. Kok pada lesu gitu. Thank you. Istirahat. Okay. Okay, I'm going to end this session. Thank you for joining me today. Good night, everyone.